Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23, otherwise known as Christmas Eve Eve. And we have just got back from
picking you up
and going and collecting the Christmas meat, the food. Yeah, and we are about to play fridge Tetris.
Yes.
To try and fit it all in, because the fridge is already quite full.
Probably because it's Christmas and it's very, 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 very teeny.
My fridge isn't teeny. There's just a lot in it at the moment.
Well, it's actually quite small.
It's not really, Reuben.
It's actually quite small.
But yes, so that's what we've got, and we've all Reuben. Stop. We have all been we've all been out today, haven't we? You have. And oi, stop being silly. I'll have to record it again if you keep being silly. Okay? Okay. So, we've all been out and yeah. But we've got back and now it is time for us to go play fridge.
Tetris.
Fridge Tetris.
Yes.
Yeah, 3D fridge Tetris. So yeah. And what are you going to do whilst I play fridge Tetris?
Play fridge Tetris.
You're going to play fridge Tetris with me?
I'm going to pass you stuff, yes.
You're going to pass me things?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Maybe. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you for Christmas Eve?
Oh, people should know.
How excited?
10. No. 10 times 10.
10 times that, like, so excited. Yeah.
Wow. More than infinity.
More than infinity, wow.
But it's never ending. Infinity means never ending, so that means you know what infinity means.
Okay.
Means.
So, let's go and we'll go and do that. My kitchen is an absolute mess at the moment.
Yay!
Because everything has... I have been so busy kind of like getting other stuff ready for Christmas.
Yay!
So, yeah, that's basically what we're doing. Excuse you? This is just how it's going to be, I think. So, anyway, I will see you in a bit, and we'll go and get the and sort out the food and things.
We're going to play.
In my embarrassment of a kitchen at the moment. Okay, so here we can see the problem. It's not a small fridge, but it does have rather a lot in it at the moment. It does have a space, as you can see, kind of like right here. However, we have to play the game of how we fit that in there, which is what we're going to do. Let the games begin. Are we on?
Yep.
Oh, wow. Okay, so, right.
As you can see, people, my mum is trying to find a space because it is horrendous.
It's not horrendous, it's just very, very full. Very, very full.
Yes.
Okay, so. We have got a Tarzatron.
Ooh. As you can see, people.
Two stuffed partridges.
Go to the camera. Mm.
that are actually going to, we're going to try and find somewhere in the freezer for them. This is our Christmas Day food, which is a stuffed pheasant. And yeah, does it have? Oh, good, it has cooking instructions. Right, so this is the big problem.
The space.
We can probably fit that sideways. Yes, there we go. We have fitted it sideways.
There is a way,
And this.
they might not like it.
This is the veg. Now,
How are you going to fit that in the fridge?
well, I think we're going to take it out of its box first, and then put it in the fridge.
Yeah, that'd be a better idea.
The nice people at M&S worked through the night to get all of this ready. Oh, look at that! So, we have got a cauliflower cheese.
Show it. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower cheese.
As you can see, people.
We've got some spare Brussels sprouts, although we're using slightly different ones. But if you aim it towards me and I'll just pull them up, okay? Some spare Brussels, but we're going to use other ones actually on Christmas Day. This is where we're going to run into problems. We have got goose fat roast potatoes. Carrot and swede crush. Braised red cabbage.
Look, we didn't get to see. Good.
And honey and mustard roast parsnips.
Good.
Which is really good. But yeah. So, okay. Okay, so, and a box.
We have a box.
An empty box. Oh, but it's got all the cooking instructions on the side. So we're going to cut this bit out because it gives us all the cooking instructions.
Yay.
And I'm going to put that over there so I can cut that out. Now.
As you can see, it landed. Sideways. With yace.
This is where we're going to have some issues.
Sure.
Right then. So the potatoes are the biggest box, are the biggest thing. So they'll need to go in here somehow. And I think that's probably the best way to do it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. We can take the apples out because they don't have to be in the fridge. But this one's in the fridge. Then we've got these to go in the fridge. 26th of the 12th, 26th of the 12th. And I'm guessing 26th of the 12th, although it doesn't actually say. So, that goes in there like that.
Me. Okay, we put the
Yep.
stuff.
Now,
So, we put
these two are going actually in the freezer somehow because these are for later. This, however, is going in here somewhere.
I'm sure where it's going. Okay, we put the
Cauliflower cheese.
cauliflower cheese over.
This is the question.
Can we put it sideways?
Not really. It kind of needs to be flat. So, but we can put it in like that.
Yeah.
Okay. The tart citron. Oh! I don't think it has ever been this full, ever. And I know this is not conducive to keeping to doing a fridge, but okay, that's everything I think inside the fridge. Now we have to tackle the freezer.
The freezer refresher.
As we can see, the freezer is similarly full. Just a little bit. So,
Try it. It's really horrible. It's horrendous. It H-O-R-E-N-D-S. Horrendous. Horrendous. So, this is quite a challenge, people. Try not to do this. Try to have a bigger fridge and freezer.
Well, you know, sometimes we just have to make do with what we've got.
Yep. Try your best to not order too much. Because otherwise it could become so full that basically the world collapses. In fullness.
Okay.
Challenge. Bread. How to fit bread.
Well, that is a question. Where to put the bread? Will this fit in here? Oh! Okay.
That just fit.
Just fit, didn't it?
Literally just fit, people. Just so as you know, just in case you didn't see it, in case you blinked.
Okay.
Blink an eye. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Just miss it. And wish for a wish. Just empty it.
It's in the bottom. That on top.
That can just fit down
Wedge
the
that down the side.
Hey!
Wedge that down the... Success!
Next bit, finding a bit for that.
Well, that bread has been there for a while, so I think we're going to chuck that bread out in favour of the fresher bread.
We're going to chuck that out. Bad bread. Yeah.
Excuse you. Don't do that.
Sorry.
Right, that one goes there. Come on, you can fit.
Fit.
Come on.
Fit already. We're going to kill you.
That.
We won!
You put the camera up so you can see me.
Yeah.
Success! Okay, so we have... I've got black on my face somewhere. We have finished stocking the fridge, haven't we? And now we are sat down and we are steadily eating our way through a whole batch of fresh sausage rolls. Are they very good sausage rolls? Do you know who made them? Who do you think made them? No. Matt made those ones. No, don't scream. Matt made those ones. But yeah, so anyway, we are now, our food is now ready and stuff. I need to go and check the cooking times and things, but that can wait till tomorrow. What is tomorrow?
Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas Eve. Are you excited? A little bit. We have got quite a lot to do tomorrow still.
Aww.
Disappointing. Anyway, so, but that is us pretty much done. But yeah, I feel like I have mastered Tetris. I am the Tetris master. You don't think so? Oh, thanks. But yeah. And now we're gonna Mummy's gonna make some tea because it's now like 8 o'clock and Mummy still hasn't made any tea.
May.
Yeah.
You're at champion rank.
I'm a champion. Tetris champion.
Rank.
Oh, thank you.
But
shall we say,
that is the toppest rank in the world.
Shall we say goodbye?
Best
and
rank.
We'll come back tomorrow for Vlogmas, the final Vlogmas.
Get ready for this, folks.
And we'll see you tomorrow for Christmas Eve and the very, very last Vlogmas. We've made it through. We made it through, Ruben. Okay. I will see you all very soon. Goodbye.